Video for Yatis Telematics. This is the first video describing Yatis web application, financials, and insurers. In this video, I'll give you an overview of how to log into the application, how to integrate the main dashboard, the search and tagging functionalities. The web app is hosted here at https. Just give me a second. https://app.yatis.io/finance. Your login and ID have been emailed to you. Please contact your headquarters or ask that support at yatis.io for your login information. So once you have put in your username and password, you will come to a login page a dashboard page like this. The dashboard gives you an overview of all the vehicles. You can see the total number of vehicles that are associated with your branch. It'll show you a summary of the issues. So it'll tell you about the vehicles that have contacted our servers for the last 24 hours, or any vehicles that are found plugged out vehicles, no plugged out devices. In these two cases, there are none. Now, how to see your list of vehicles? Just click here, and this side menu opens up. It has a list of all your vehicles. There are 15 vehicles in this particular associated this particular branch, and they can be found here. You could collapse the side menu by just clicking the icon again. Now the next item I think I'd like to discuss show you is about the search dashboard. Now to go to search dashboard, before going to search dashboard, I'd like to highlight one particular item. That in this item is that the loan number is the key parameter. It's not the vehicle number, not the chassis number, not the device ID. The key item here is the loan number. Typically, that's how a financier would be tracking his vehicles, with the loan number. So for example, if a financier wants to track where a particular vehicle is, he just wants the loan number. You can come here, put the loan number here, click, and it shows the details, the basic details of this vehicle. It gives the vehicle ID, the device ID, device associated with the vehicle, the particular contract number, the registration number, the phone number of the user. So on clicking this, you can find where the vehicle is. You can get a detail of where the vehicle is and see some of the tags, etc. Now we will be coming to tagging in the latter part of this video. Okay, so that's how you could do this. Alternatively, a person can also search for vehicles using the vehicle number and username. It is possible with the search dashboard. Now the next feature which we'll discuss is called tagging. Now come here again. What's possible with the system is that you could tag your vehicles. So in case you want to, so there's a particular vehicle that's an NPA, and you want to be able to track your NPAs quickly. What you need to do is you need to put in this vehicle number in the search dashboard. Once this appears, you could choose the tag called NPA. Now the system supports 5 tags: high priority, stolen, NPA, tracking, collection, monitoring. So once you've clicked your NPAs, let's just for the sake of it, let's just put on the tag called tracking. All I have to do is save tags and close. Now what you could do is you could go to your tag vehicle search and say you want to track your NPA vehicles. Give it some time. And this system we have currently tagged about 3 vehicles as NPAs. 3 vehicles as NPAs, and you can find the locations. This is a demonstration, so these vehicles may really not be NPAs, but this, I guess it's clear that you could track your vehicles this way. The tags, your tag vehicles, also appear on the main dashboard. So your 3 NPA vehicles also highlighted here too, and so you could find your NPA vehicles quickly by just being on this dashboard. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Let's have to go to the main page. Close this. And yes, these are the 3 vehicles which we saw again on the tagged vehicle. In the tagged vehicle feature, we saw the same 3 vehicles. These are 3 vehicles that are of interest. Uh, so yeah, so if you want to now, we've also tagged about two vehicles as tracking, and these are two vehicles that we track as tagging. There are none vehicles that tagged as high priority, stolen, etc. Yeah, so you using the system, you can find a particular vehicle really quickly. That's the advantage of it. This will be the end of this video. The second part, second video, we'll be talking about geofences, cutoffs, and the more advanced reports. Uh, so let's begin.